Unboxing the PT camera. Product manual and main unit bracket. Waterproof accessories and screw pack. Power cable and network port through the bracket. Press the bayonet to secure the installation. Locate the two screw holes and use the self-tapping screws. Bracket installation completed. For outdoor installation, use the drawer-type waterproof power supply. Connect the 220 volts power cable to the power input port. Power cable and network port can be hidden inside the drawer. Connect the power supply according to the interface. For indoor installation, an adapter can be used. Directly connect to the power interface. Select a Tiandy TF card. Open the TF card slot cover. The device supports up to 512 GB memory card. Insert the TF card and replace the cover. TF card installation completed. Open the mobile app store. Download the eSolve app. Enter your phone number to receive a verification code. Set your login password. Complete the registration. Click to add a new device. Scan the QR code on the device. The device supports Wi-Fi connection. Follow the instructions to complete device addition. Modify the channel name as needed. The device supports human tracking function. The device supports full-color night monitoring. The monitoring device is placed in a low-light environment. Demonstration of low-light performance in real scenarios. The device is equipped with 6 array infrared lights, 6 warm light fill LEDs. Infrared mode shows black and white images. White light mode displays full-color images.